Welcome back to my channel. Today I made sweet egusi soup with two types of protein and some more. If you want to know how I got here, please keep watching. So into hot boiling water, I'm going to add ground egusi. Now this is the intention for this is not to have any balls of any sort. I just want the mashy type of egusi. So I'm just going to fry this straight with some palm oil, add some local spices and some fresh pepper, and then allow it to boil properly. In goes my locust beans, my ground locust beans, my ground onions, seasoning, and then some fresh red pepper, as well as some crayfish. I'll be using two types of smoked meat today. I'll be using some chicken and also some pork. Now you can use any form of protein you have in the house. I just wanted to use smoked meat because the flavor is something else. Just imagine chicken that has been fried, peppered and smoked. Same goes for the pork. So imagine that flavor lending itself to the egusi, and then of course our bitter leaf. This egusi, oh Lord. This egusi was everything and more. And then I paired this today with some semo. Hope you enjoyed this simple egusi recipe. Please hit the subscribe button, guys, and please help share my video. Leave a comment in the comment section, hit the like button, very important. Thank you so much for watching.